ISU has a princess in its midst. Just to clarify, not a tiara-wearing, ribbon-cutting, waving parades kind of princess. ISU's Princess Young knows how to roll up her sleeves and get some serious work done. Princess will graduate with honors with a Bachelor of Business Administration degree in Business Management and a minor in music. She has earned a 3.71 GPA. Her list of scholarships is extensive, over 25. She has been extremely involved in extracurricular activities. Princess served as the editor-in-chief of the student-run Bengal newspaper for 2 years, vice president of the ISU Finance Association, and she's been an ISU ambassador. She also participated on the ISU Concert Choir and the ISU's Women's Choir, just to name a few. Princess distinguished herself this past summer when she received a very competitive internship with the Human Resources Department of Southwest Airlines. Less than 75 interns were chosen from thousands of applicants from across the country. The outstanding student in the College of Business is Princess Young.